Starting from looking up at the starry sky, people have never stopped exploring the vast universe. The successful launch of the first man-made Earth satellite marks the beginning of human activities in the vast universe. Today, solar energy, by virtue of its inexhaustible vitality, has become a clean energy source on which people rely for development. As an important driving force for the development of clean energy in the world, HT-SAAE draws a grand blueprint for the creation of a better world and the pursuit of dreams in the era of tremendous changes, and makes contributions to the sustainable and healthy development of our society. We never stop pursuing our dreams and creating legends. HT-SAAE is a state-owned holding company under China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation and China's first listed company named after aerospace. As a professional solar photovoltaic company, relying on the advanced technology of China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation and our own abundant capital, we have worked hard and innovated continuously in the ups and downs since our establishment in 1998. We have kept pace with the times and do our utmost to seize every opportunity for innovation and development. With the support of space technology, we continuously increase investment in technology research and development every year. We own more than 200 technical patents on cells and modules and continuously improve the photoelectric conversion efficiency in practice. We create high-performance, high-quality, and high-reliability aerospace photovoltaic cell module products by the agency of our high-standard laboratory testing and outdoor testing platforms. We have a number of production lines equipped with advanced, fully automated production equipment in the industry. To protect customers' interests, we promise to provide them with highly reliable products of 12-year quality guarantee and 30-year output power guarantee. We have won a sterling global reputation in the industry. Our continuous innovation and hard work have enabled us to have been continuously rated as a Tier 1 module manufacturer since 2015, and our reliable and efficient module products have passed international authoritative certifications such as MCS, CE, TUV, JET, and UL. We have successfully established strategic partnership with many world-renowned enterprises. We have set up branches in major countries and cities across the world to better serve our customers. We are among the top 5 in module shipments in countries such as the United States and the Netherlands, and our market share in Turkey even reaches 50%. Our products have been distributed in the domestic market, as well as in overseas markets in countries and regions such as Europe, America, Japan, and India. We are bringing green lifestyle and experience to more people.
With its long history, HT-SAAE is a state-owned, high-quality product, stock listed.
やはり親会社に国営企業をお持ちの工店さんは技術力、それから資金力。
Well, HT Solar's 25 years in the PV industry, as long as with their background in aerospace technology, I believe that they can do a lot for not just the PV industry, but for the world.
Is listed as a Tier 1 manufacturer in Bloomberg since 2015.
守っていただけるという安心感。それから施工まで考えていただいたそのいろんな手配が非常に安心ができると思います。で、安心した施工ができるという意味で非常にありがたいと思います。
I think that a PV industry requires a strong relationship, a good communication on both ends, and I believe that with HT Solar we can get that.
We are a big family full of love and warmth. In HT-SAAE, our employees enjoy healthy and diversified cultural life and comfortable and harmonious enterprise atmosphere. In HT-SAAE, we try to spread love and bring light far and wide and make dreams come true.
我是2012年2月进入航天机电的，在这里工作了8年。
我主要负责航天光伏的海外亚太区的市场营销工作。
Yo estoy responsable de dirigir el equipo de las ventas y mayoritariamente en el mercado de Latinoamérica, Europa y Surasia.
我觉得航天光伏大家都像一个大家庭，然后在不断的为客户的服务过程当中，为公司创造价值。
El equipo muy bueno y pues yo estoy muy contento de trabajar juntos con toda la compañía HT para soportar el desarrollo de la energía renovable.
Today, we are a pillar of the industry, and tomorrow we will try to provide infinite possibilities and make a difference. In the future, as a leader of the global smart energy industry, we strive to build us into a 10 billion level listed company with sustainable development, a strong sense of social responsibility, and reasonable returns to shareholders, and to provide economic, efficient, and clean energy solutions for people all over the world. Better aerospace technology, better life.